So the second video, I am showing you how to change and edit the resume sample of your website. So first we need to go the resume sample page. I'm clicking, and right now we need to click the edit with 10 web builder. So just click. So our Elementor builder is completely loaded on our web browser. So you can see this area for the resume sample area. You can see if I click the right click on my mouse, we can see here the edit gallery option, and this is the resume sample gallery option. So click the right button on your mouse and edit gallery, and you can see the element type is the multiple, also the single, but we need the multiple resume sample. So just click the multiple, and you can see our uh, 4 gallery is here currently: the executive resume and mid-level, then IT resume, and the last one is military to civilian option, and some setting for this resume sample. But we don't need any kind of setting because this is already have the complete setting. We just need some customization for 3 to 1 or 1 to 3. So we have customized the executive resume. So click this executive, and you can see the title is executive resume. Also you can change any kind of title. Then the image of the 3 image on this executive resume area, you can see 1, 2, and 3, this one. So click this gallery, and right now you can see the 3 photo is here. So you can here this way you can change the number, like right or left 1 or 3, 3 or 2, like this. Then insert this gallery, but I am closing because I don't need any kind of customization or order. You can easily order or combine the image option. Then you can update this area, click on it, and our page is completely updated. So in this way you can easily customize and edit the order, resume order, or the serial number. Thank you.